Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel G1 Bell. I am SFC Spectacular and I talk about all things G1 Transformers. And we're going to cover Masterpiece Transformers Collector's cards. And why am I doing this? What is the purpose of these cards? Well, if you ever watch a toy review where somebody opens up the Transformers toy and they fling the box to the side and that card and instruction book, well, among those it's a card, right? And people seem to not really care or know what to do with the card. So I'm going to go through some of the things I use the card for, what's the purpose, what's on the card, things of that nature. So first off, what is the purpose of these cards? These cards set a brilliant motif, a decorative design. They're very eye-appealing, and I think that is obvious to anybody that glances at them. Although the style changes throughout the Masterpiece Transformers, like when they change, every so often they change the picture. It has a character profile that specifies what's going on with the robot that you have. So let's say you have Grimlock or Optimus Prime, the description will be on there for that particular robot. It also contains information on both the robot mode and the alt mode of that Transformer. It lists the stats of each robot. Those stats consist of strength, intelligence, speed, endurance, rank, courage, fire blast, and skill. If you'd like to hear more about these rankings or have them broken down further, let me know in the comments below. I will do another video on it. So what's on the back of the card? Well, from the top, making our way downward, it consists of robot's allegiance, subgroup if any, the function or job of the robot, which I love to point out, and the character profile of that particular robot. What are some good uses for the Masterpiece Transformers cards? I'm glad you asked. And whilst I can't say how everyone should use them, I can tell you how I use these Masterpiece Transformers collectors cards. On some cards, if the alt mode is licensed or a licensed product, then you will see a more detailed description of that alt mode. Or you'll see, versus it just being a regular jet, it might say Boeing F-15 in the case of Starscream, Thundercracker, and Skywarp. I also use the card to make some of my YouTube videos, such as this one, of course, right? But I also put the stats and reviews. I put the stats in the character profile if I do it, something like that. I admire the work on these cards. They're very beautiful. Some people don't like them. I don't care how they've changed over the years, whether it's the regular gray matte finish Grimlock card, or it's the gridded out G1S cards, or it's the modern MP52 looking cartoon background. I don't care. I like them all. I appreciate the art and the artwork that the creators put into these things. So this is just me. It doesn't have to be everybody, right? And finally, it helps me catalog each masterpiece by number, because I don't have a great memory. So if I want to recall a number of the MP Transformer, which if you look at my last profile of, I forget what video I did, but Bumblebee was in there and he had the wrong MP number. That's because I was in a rush. So it helps me catalog those numbers and memorize them without having to go, digging through databases and all that stuff. So I keep the cards in my desk and they come in handy. And as you can see here, I am no stranger to card collectibles. These are Marvel series comic cards. I have like 3 volumes of them. This is volume 1 from way back in the days. If you've seen my comic book collection on my other 2 YouTube channels, you've probably seen these. But these are really, really old cards from about 1992 or something like that. I love the artwork. Like I said, I appreciated all that stuff. I used to collect these all the time. I'm missing a few. But these are, I don't want to say they're rare, but back in the day, we thought these cards would be of some value or everything else. But these cards hold the same stats as you would the Transformers cards. You got your character-based information on the back, profile, energy-based ratings, statistics, great artwork on the front, things of that nature. So I would say to you, I'm not asking you to appreciate the cards, or maybe I am, I don't know. But I truly think they are a thing to be appreciated and to be behold. Hey guys, I had a lot of fun doing this video as usual. Took me down memory lane. I got a chance to whip out some of my old comic cards and thumb through them. I would hope that you appreciate your Transformers Masterpiece cards in the future. Maybe you can find some use for them like I've detailed in this video. If you have any ideas for future Masterpiece Transformers toys topics talk, please feel free to drop them down in the comments below. And you can find some of my other videos such as character profiles, reviews, and short videos here on the channel. And maybe you might want to check out a video that YouTube recommends here on the screen. And until next time, remember, if you can be good at it, guys. Peace.